Hi there, welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to make your Shopify store appear on Google SEO Basics. When you're running an online business, one of the biggest challenges is making sure potential customers can find your store. If your Shopify store doesn't appear on Google, it's almost like having a store in a secluded alley, nobody knows it exists. But don't worry, because today, we're going to walk through the essential steps to ensure your store is visible in Google search results. This is critical, as without proper verification through Google Search Console, your store won't show up, and you'll miss out on valuable customer traffic. Let's dive right in and explore how you can make this happen. First, let's get started with opening your preferred web browser. Head over to the website search.google.com. It's important that you're logged into your Google account at this point, because only then will you be able to access the Google Search Console. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one to proceed. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard, a central hub that allows you to manage how your website appears in Google's search results. You might notice quite a few options here, but don't worry, I'll guide you through the specifics. On this dashboard, you'll encounter an option labeled URL prefix. This is the verification method we will be using today. It's particularly useful when you want to verify just a single web address, as opposed to an entire domain. The URL prefix is a more straightforward approach for Shopify users, so it suits our needs perfectly. Next, switch over to your Shopify admin panel. Look for the online store section located in the left sidebar. You'll notice a small icon right beside it. Click on this icon, and it will reveal your store's full URL. Go ahead and copy this URL because we're going to need it in the next step. Now, head back to the Google Search Console and paste the URL you copied into the URL prefix field. With that done, click on the Continue button to move forward with the verification process. Google will now present you with several methods to verify ownership of your store. From the available options, choose HTML tag. This method involves inserting a small piece of code into your website to prove that you own it. Once you select this option, an HTML tag will appear on your screen. Carefully copy the entire tag. It's crucial to ensure that you copy every character, as missing even one might cause the verification to fail. Return to your Shopify admin panel once again. Click on Online Store, and this time, click the three dots beside it from the drop-down menu. Select Edit Code, which will take you into Shopify's code editor. This is where you can make changes to your store's template files. The code editor might take a few moments to load, so be patient. It's essential to wait until all your theme files are fully loaded, especially if your internet connection is slow or your theme is complex. Once everything is ready, find a folder named Layout on the left side panel of the code editor. Click on it, and within this folder, locate the theme.liquid file. This file is your theme's main template and controls the overall structure of your store's pages. Scroll down until you find the opening head tag. It looks like less than sign head greater than sign. Position your cursor directly underneath this tag and paste the HTML verification tag you copied from Google Search Console. Once you've pasted it, make sure to click the Save button located in the top right corner of the code editor. This action saves your changes and embeds the verification code into your store. Before we wrap up the verification, there's one final, crucial step. Navigate to Preferences under the Online Store section. It's important to note that you must have an upgraded Shopify plan to disable password protection on your store. If your store remains password protected, Google won't be able to access it and verify ownership. Ensure that the password protection is turned off, as this is vital for the verification process to succeed. Once you've confirmed that everything is set up correctly, and the password protection is disabled, head back to the Google Search Console. Click the Verify button to finalize the process. Google will now check your site for the HTML tag you added. If all steps were followed accurately, your store will be successfully verified, and it will be ready to appear in Google search results, allowing customers to find you with ease. That's it for this tutorial on how to make your Shopify store appear on Google SEO Basics. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos.